What's up, everyone? 2022 Bowman's 2023 Bowman Sapphire 2-box random team 17. Yeah, 18 is in the store. 28 spots, 2 combo spots. Oakland with St. Louis and Houston with Chicago. We'll randomize the names and the teams 6 times each. Here's the teams: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six times on the names: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gonna pull this off, add the combo spots and alphabetize the list. Tonka with Arizona and the Reds. Nice hits. See what we can get you. All right, good luck, everyone. See how this case wants to... Or wait, this isn't the start. Normally when they give you a color auto, you get two of the same color, but not here. We have a green auto off the bat. Just going to peel off the Band-Aid. It's Jesus Baez for the Mets. 13 of 50. Birdman. That's it. Aqua of Zach Neto. 18 of 55. Orange coming, Berry base. Orange is Christian Hernandez, 6 of 50 for the Cubbies. And we got a purple. We got a purple to 25. of Henry Davis. 24 of 25 for the Pirates. Former #1 pick. He should be in the show soon. Henry Davis. None of our 3 colors were firsts that box. We're in a little bit of a rut, I can't lie. After the fireworks. Box 2. We have red. Please have ink. It doesn't, but we have colored ink. We have aqua ink and a red. We have aqua ink and a red. First, we have an orange of Justin Henry Malloy for the Braves to 50. This kid will be in the show soon also. Bay Heat. All right, we haven't had a red in a minute. Good luck on the red. Mervis. Haven't had his base in a minute either. Got a green of the Martian. A green Martian, 60 of 60. The Yanks. We got an aqua auto and a red. Justin Crawford base. That works. That'll play. 2 of 99, Matt Mervis. Sapphire auto for Buck Bob Alicious. The gift that keeps on giving. 2023 Bowman Sapphire. Matt Mervis, 2 of 99 auto. Nice hit. And we have a red. And we have a red. A red with a bat. A red with a bat and a first logo. It's Jace Avina, 6 of 10 for the Brewers. Tonka. Nice red. 6 of 10. We'll recap it. Nice break. 17 in the books. Dominguez to 60, Malloy to 50, Davis to 25, Avina 6 of 10 on the first, Baez and Mervis 2 of 99. That's the break. Thank you.